This video provides a case lecture on the Supreme Court ruling in Del Monte Land Transport Bus Company versus Jaranilla, covering the accrual and restitution of reinstatement wages pending appeal. In this landmark ruling, the Supreme Court clarifies the mandatory nature of reinstatement wages under Article 229 of the Labor Code. The court reaffirms that payroll reinstatement orders are immediately executory until a final reversal is issued, meaning employers cannot claim reimbursement for wages paid. The case involved Del Monte Land Transport Bus Company as petitioners against their former employees, including Romeo Jaranilla. The dispute began as a complaint for illegal dismissal. A labor arbiter initially ruled for the employees and ordered immediate reinstatement. The procedural timeline shows the fluctuation of these orders. From 2013 to 2015, the case moved from the labor arbiter to the NLRC and finally to the Court of Appeals, which issued a final reversal of the dismissal ruling in June 2015. Two core legal issues were addressed. First, whether employees are entitled to accrued wages during the period a reinstatement order was active, even if the dismissal is later found legal. And second, whether the employer can compel a refund of those wages. The court established two distinct accrual periods for wages. These periods spanned from the initial labor arbiter order to the final appellate reversal, ensuring that wage entitlement ceased on the date of the reversing decision. This table compares the legal effect of an intermediate reversal versus a final reversal. Notably, in both instances, no refund is required from the employees for the wages already paid. The final reversal rule dictates that the reinstatement aspect of a labor arbiter's award is self-executing. The employer must fulfill either physical or payroll reinstatement, and a later finding of legal dismissal does not retrospectively erase the wages earned. The statutory rationale behind this rule is social protection. These wages provide immediate sustenance to workers during litigation, and the law prevents employers from using the appellate process to starve out workers. The court's doctrine is clear. Reinstatement salaries received pending appeal are not subject to reimbursement, even if the reinstatement order is eventually reversed by a higher tribunal. To summarize, reinstatement orders are self-executing, wages accrue until the final reversal, interlocutory reversals don't cancel total entitlement, and employers bear the financial risk of appeals without the right to demand restitution. Thank you for watching this lecture on the Del Monte versus Jaranilla case. We hope this breakdown clarifies the current legal standing on reinstatement wage accrual. The images used in this video were sourced from Wikimedia Commons, PNA, and Vecteezy.